Hi guys and welcome back to class. In this lesson we're going to be looking at how the dynamic link works between Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro. So in this lesson we will be looking at what that dynamic link actually does. So in Premiere Pro we have a feature that allows you to use After Effects, so you can edit in After Effects and whatever you're editing actually duplicates or replicates. You see it or find it in Adobe Premiere Pro. So why does that happen? That happens because Adobe themselves have been able to create a very much dynamic link that happens between their ecosystem, between the Adobe ecosystem. That's why you can work in Adobe Audition if it has a dynamic link, and you find out that the changes that you have made in Adobe Audition actually comes into Premiere Pro. The same thing goes for Photoshop, the same thing goes for Illustrator, and the same thing goes for After Effects. So whatever app you are using that is integrated with Premiere Pro, is actually going to make changes, or you are going to be seeing the changes live in Premiere Pro. So we'll be using this video as an example, and one of the things I'll be doing is to actually take this into After Effects. And you can either come here, which is replace with After Effects composition, or you go to File, you go to Adobe Dynamic Link, and you replace with After Effects composition. So what happens here is that After Effects opens up and you have already initiated the command to say let's go ahead and work. So I'm just going to be saving this with dynamic. So in dynamic I'll be using the text effect, and I'll just be writing Lagos. So this Lagos, I'll be spacing this out. I'm switching off. Okay, sorry, I'll just be expanding this title here using the properties. If you notice, these are quite similar in Premiere Pro, and I'll also be changing the fill color to white. This is what I just choose. This is my preference. You can do whatever you like, and in this I'll be looking for the effects panel because I would like to drop some sort of effect, and I'll search the fade up character effects. So the fade up character effect is right below here, and I'll be dragging and dropping this on the layer of the Lagos. So what this does, it helps to do the typing effect. So I'll be dragging this a little, and when I play it, this is what we have. So you can change this to quarter if you have a lagging video, and when you play this you have this type effect. I'll be reducing this and I'll be playing back again to see what my progress looks like. So when we go back to Premiere Pro and look at what has happened right here, we are going to be playing this, and you can see the Lagos is being replicated without editing anything in Premiere Pro. So there you have it. This is the way to go when you want to link or edit stuffs in After Effects. So bye for now. I'll see you in the next lesson.